The best ways to see whether your video idea will get any traction is to first record a YouTube short. Now, I know you can do other methods such as doing keyword research and seeing what's trending and things like that. But if you have an idea and you just want to get instant feedback without doing all of the research, the best thing that you can do is record a YouTube short. Why? Because shorts, I believe, are quite a quick way of getting feedback. Because when you post on YouTube and it's a short, YouTube, for some reason, I think I know why, but they push shorts quite a lot. And I think it's probably to compete with Instagram, to compete with TikTok and any other sort of shorts, short form content, that these other platforms provide. So because they push it out, you get quite a lot of feedback very quickly. So to give you an example, I posted a YouTube short probably a few weeks ago now, and it was just about my BlackBerry phone, which I bought, BlackBerry Key One. Yeah, it's 2025. People are still using Blackberries. But yeah, there's a long story behind that, and I'm not using it at the moment. But I posted it when I was a video when I was using it, and instantly I got a lot of views on it, and that showed me that actually, you know what, people are interested in Blackberries. What I didn't have to do was do a lot of research into it and do keyword research and go on Google and find what's trending on YouTube. I just thought, let me record a video of me using my BlackBerry and see what the feedback's like. And it got a lot of views. In the end, it got 1,500 views, which is not a huge amount, but it shows that there is interest in that type of content. And then what I did after that was I recorded a 20-minute video, and lo and behold, so far it's got about 990 views, and you can see it on this channel. So I saw the popularity of that video in shorts, which made me want to get more views. And I knew that if I posted something about that BlackBerry, but as a long form video, I would get a lot of views as well. And lo and behold, I have. So it's a really good way to test the market very quickly and to get instant feedback. What is better than getting that instant feedback with minimal effort? And what I also like about YouTube Shorts is that you can just record a video just like that, get it online. And I don't think, yes, you can edit it and make it very fancy and whatever. I'm not interested in that. I'm busy. I've got things to do. And I just want to see if things work or if they don't work. So just going into my phone, recording, 1 minute video, you record it, you upload it. You can add captions in YouTube if you want. You can add filters, audio, things like that. But 1 minute it takes, okay, let's say another minute for, adding the captions or whatever. So 2 minutes, you've uploaded your video, and then you get instant feedback as to whether it's a topic that people are interested about. So that is absolutely fantastic from my perspective and as a business owner. If I could put something out there and get instant feedback straight away as to whether people like it, that's priceless, really. That is really priceless. So I encourage you that if you are starting a YouTube channel, even if you're an established YouTuber, to test out shorts a lot more. Use it as an experimental platform for YouTube. Use it as an experimental bit to see whether it's worth posting long form content on that topic. And yeah, give that a go and let me know if that works for you. I'm definitely going to try it a lot more, especially seeing the success of that video that I was just talking about. As I adapt this channel to focus more on YouTube growth and business growth, I will definitely be posting a lot more short form content and just really monitoring the stats there. To me, it's a lot more time efficient than using a lot of tools and whatnot. The tools will be there, the tools are there, but it's a great way of getting that instant feedback. Now, if that's been of any use to you, please let me know. If you've experimented with using YouTube Shorts to test the market, then let me know. And what would be absolutely fantastic is if you could like and subscribe to this channel. I really want to get your thoughts on this, and it really helps me if you like and subscribe and even comment. I reply to every single comment at the moment. It really helps me to understand whether these topics I'm talking about are interesting, but also if you are getting value from them. So yeah, let me know, and use the shorts. I'm telling you, use the shorts.